Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG phone, and I will show you how to turn on power saving mode. So you pull down from the top and look for battery mods. Click on it, and here you have the options. You can turn on X mode, which will basically improve the performance of the phone, or as power saving mode, you have a couple options here. You have the normal one, and you have like the super saving mode, which basically disables everything apart from the essential. So you can also enable that, and it will only keep the SMS, phones, and alarm clock functional. Everything else will be disabled. So that would be it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.